Hi, Miss Armstrong and fellow students. Today I will be showing you my passion project. So, in my passion project, it will be to make a briefcase computer. So, first I will be showing you the parts. So, first, this is the battery pack. So, let's just say that you wanted to go and bring the briefcase computer somewhere, like Tim Hortons, but you wouldn't be able to do that right now because of quarantine. But if you wanted to, with this battery pack, you can actually go open it and use a computer just by pressing this button when everything's secure. Next is the Raspberry Pi. This is the motherboard, the computer, the source of life. So this is the Raspberry Pi 3. It is technically the whole computer, like I said before, and this will be kind of like the main part of the computer. So next is an old wireless keyboard that I had. I will be using it for this project. I also have the the 11-inch LCD HD screen connected to the signal control board with the ribbon cable. This is the mini HDMI cable to go and connect the Raspberry Pi to the signal control board. This is a power cord to go and power everything, which will be connected to the battery pack. So for this tutorial, the first thing that I will be going into and putting in the briefcase is the battery pack. I already have all the Velcro installed, as you can see, because it was a little bit challenging and it took a while. So first you'd go and put the battery pack where you'd want to go. Also, the battery pack's optional. You don't have to do that part. So you go, put it in place, and now the first step's done. The second step will be installing the Raspberry Pi. So, since I want every part of it accessible, I will have the USB ports facing here and the audio, power, and HDMI facing upwards. So I'm just going to go place it on there, and that's it. Next is this wireless keyboard. All you have to do is put it in. So nextly is the 11-inch LCD screen. So as you can see, I go and have this in a special order. So the longest one is at the bottom, which means that this will go and be put on as so. There. So next, as you can see, I will go and be placing the signal control board. So you go, place it there. That's done. And now, this is the LCD controller. I go, put it there. So now, all of this is accessible to me. So, now we're doing the cords. The HDMI cord will be plugged in to the Raspberry Pi and the signal control board. There we go. And lastly, the power cable. I will be plugging it in, to the power box, as you can see. And I will go and plug it into the Raspberry Pi and signal control board, which will go and power the LCD screen, so you can go and actually see what the computer is displaying. The software that I'm using for the Raspberry Pi is Raspbian, a Debian-based interface, and it will be the OS, operating system. And now, if I just go press the power button, you'll go see this power up and the LCD screen powering up. Just wait a few seconds for the startup. And now, welcome to the Raspberry Pi desktop powered by Raspbian.